Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel Beauty in a Minute. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Oil. It says here luxury facial oil. So what I'm holding is the sample product. I got given 2 sample size. It came with my beauty look box. The real product looks like this. I have been using this oil for a couple of weeks now and I'm really loving it. And I'm just going to show you what it's like. The texture is very light. I have been using this mainly for my hair, and I'm just going to put a few drops on my hands and just scrunch my hair. So this is what I've been using. I just put a few drops into my hand like this. Few drops. And then just massage this onto my fingertips. And then I'll just grab a bunch of my hair and I'm just going to scrunch this up like this. I'm going to sit back a little bit so you can see it's a beautiful oil. So this is how I've been using the Marula oil. Can you see straight away it gives a very nice shine. It almost puts a bit of life to my hair. So if you like, you can add a few more drops. And I'm just going to do this side of my hair. Can you see this hair is looking a bit dry? And I'm just going to scrunch it up like this. So I'm just going to show you on my hair. Yeah, just brings my hair alive, puts a little bit of shine to my hair. So if your hair is looking very dry and dull, definitely put a few drops of this Marula oil. So first of all, Marula oil come from the southern parts of Africa. It's very high in protein. And the other thing, what makes it so good is that it's lightweight in texture. This oil is not heavy. It's very light. I personally really don't like very heavy oil because if you rub very heavy oil on your hair, it pulls your hair down instead of bouncing it up. What I find with this Marula oil by the Drunk Elephant is it bounces my hair up instead of pulling it down. I have used plenty of hair oil on my hair over a number of years. And I find that some oil that I just picked up from drugstore, supermarket, or anywhere, they can be really heavy and it pulls my hair down instead of bringing shine and bringing bounce and life to my hair. The smell is quite neutral. It's actually, yeah, there's hardly any scent in this at all. This smell is really neutral. It doesn't smell like cooking oil. It's just full of vitamins. It's full of proteins. I'm just going to read to you some of the benefits of Marula oil. Number 1, Marula oil is full of amino acids. It's full of arginine and glutamic acid, which is very good for hydration and anti-aging benefits. It's full of fatty acids, your omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. So which means it's just full of emollient benefits. So stops your hair from drying out. And thirdly, it is full of antioxidants. So it's got vitamin C and vitamin E. And we all know that vitamin C is a super antioxidant. So what I am holding here, the sample is 5 ml. And from Mecca, this Marula oil comes in 2 sizes. The 30 ml, which is the bigger size, is $111. And the 15 ml is $62. So it's not cheap. Yeah, none of the Drunk Elephant products are cheap. But this oil is so superior. And you don't need a lot. You only need a few drops. I mean, I put a bit too much on today just to demonstrate to you. And this will last me for a whole week. I don't need to add any more hair products to my hair. So with this Marula oil that I have just put on my hair, this will last a whole week. And I wash my hair at the end of the week. So this Virgin Marula oil by Drunk Elephant is a superior product. I really love this product. I got 2 little samples of this product. And when I finish them, I'm going to buy the real bottle. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.